Hey Nick, what's going on? It's Jason.
Hey Jason, how you doing?
Good man, doing great. I know you came from Terry, which is
Yep,
great because
yep.
he sends me a lot of referrals. So you're looking for ad management. I know you do business
Yeah,
funding. Is that correct?
yeah. I don't
Okay.
know if you remember. Remember, I was the one that was actually texting you not too long ago when you were doing that little flight hack thing.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Yeah,
Got you.
that's me. I've been watching your stories for a minute. You've been popping off stuff recently, and I'm like, and actually Terry got in my group recently, the credit group, and
Okay.
I was like, he was sharing me about it. I'm like, hey, I've been following Mojo. What's going on?
Okay.
I wanted to
Dope.
find out more about that.
Yeah. So we have a couple of people who run business funding. We
Yep.
run Facebook traffic. IG
Mm-hmm.
traffic to your DMs, and then you would get the
Okay.
appointment set, or you send them to a credit application or a funding application. So what usually happens is prospect comes in, they either don't qualify for business funding, then you downsell credit repair. So that's what a lot of people are doing right now.
See, yeah, see, but I'm a little different. I'm already doing some like little ads. I learned some from like Ty Lopez
Okay.
courses a while back, a few years ago. So I've been running Instagram ads, a little bit of Facebook,
Okay.
and
So are you using
sales.
the boost and promote button though?
Only occasionally on like a post if I just want a little engagement just to get a few views. But I'm
Okay.
usually running it from my ads manager.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so we would take that over for you and we can
Yeah,
obviously, scale that out and give you better
yeah.
attribution because the thing that like the reason why Terry recommends us a lot is just because of the attribution that we have. So we are a platinum
Mm-hmm.
partner, so we get more advertising tools than the regular advertiser. Like you could
Okay.
sit there and you could spend all the money that we've spent to get that kind of access. I mean, you have to spend 20
Yeah.
million.
I get what you're
So
saying. Yeah.
yeah, so over the years, I've been doing this for about 4 years now. We have platinum partner access, so we can get extra interest, we get extra targeting, we get extra access to audiences being populated, we get better attributions. I can reset attributions, I can get ads at a learning phase faster. We just have more access than regular advertiser does. And also, we'll give you scripts. We'll also, retarget with graphics as well. We can segment
Yeah,
your
I mentioned that.
audiences as
Yeah.
well. So it's just a lot more access.
Yeah, I
Um,
happen to be running an ad right now on Instagram. It's been like getting me crazy DMs. I happen to get the right one with the right audience,
okay.
and
Are
it's
you
like
are
I'm
you
getting
running
like
just cold interest, or are you running any lookalike audiences?
I think I did something right because I think I'm targeted. I just put a campaign name. I just called it. Well, I have a few different ones. I happen to put this one I recently got on my Instagram. I'm running that, and it's running off stories, and it's
Okay.
just a quick thing like funding, like DM me, shoot me serious inquiries, DM me
Okay.
funding,
Dope.
right? So it's like oh crap, I lost what I was saying. Where I was going with it. But yeah, just running it from that, and it's like I'm like only a few $100 and $500 in. I'm getting DMs every single day, and like, see, my main thing is I'm more of I'm not like a credit repair guy. I'm more of like get in my group, learn how to leverage credit, travel
Okay,
tax, all that
that's
good stuff
fine.
I just
Yeah.
share with you,
I mean, yeah, we
or
can give you.
I'm doing funding. Like
Yeah, so we'll give
first
you
of all,
we'll
like
give you scripts to make the ads
okay,
better too, video wise, because we have scripts, and then you
okay,
record them, and then we edit them and make them nice. We could throw pop ups, social proof, all the all those cool things, and also we also combine that with TikTok. So
okay,
we can combine that later on, probably in the second month that we're together, we'll run TikTok ads to then
okay.
retarget and find
Yeah, I
more
just got
top.
into TikTok.
Yeah, so TikTok's a big blue ocean because the traffic's cheaper and it fuels the Facebook and IG retargeting campaigns. So it allows your attribution to stay lower, so that you're not paying as much per lead or customer.
Okay. I was curious. Do you happen to have a guy with you? I sent your way a little while back because he was looking for recommendations. And I'm like, hey, check him out. The guy named Bobby.
Bobby, who?
Bobby, shoot, what's his last name? Um,
We don't have any clients
I
right
guess
now
like
who are
Mr.
named.
Credit Yourself on Instagram.
Yeah, no, he didn't
Okay.
come to us. I haven't worked with him.
Okay. Yeah, he's mainly was off organic and he's
Okay.
making a ridiculous amount. So I'm in a few different groups and I'm kind of doing. I feel like every credit guy does something different. I'm like I have everything copy and paste. It's like
Okay.
I'm running the ad like DM me funding. So when you DM me, they're just running. They're just throwing the word out there funding, and then I have a little copy paste. I'm like, okay, are you interested in personal funding, business funding? Then whatever the case, whatever they go with, I'm like, okay, here's my thing. I just copy and paste for
Yeah.
business funding. These are the requirements. If you don't fall into that, then we'll jump back to personal. If you're personal like this, if you're like from scratch, a lot of times I'm jumping on a call and I'm trying to lead them to my credit group where it's like $800 to join, like all the little, the core section, screenshots, my
Okay.
recorded videos, and we're trying to do live calls and some Zooms a month to where you $800 one time you get in, you get all this access for
Okay.
like lower end stuff. So
Yeah, no, that's perfect. So why were you looking for ad management?
really to like I said, I learned from some of this stuff when the Ties programs a while back. I'm not like great at it, but I happen to hit an ad that's been doing decent. But I know he said, Terry said you're good at setting up click funnels or whatever else you got to do.
Yeah.
I'm looking more for like automation where I can
Okay. So then what we would
answer calls.
so what we would want to do then, if that's the case, is if you're looking for more automation, are you answering all these messages organically yourself?
Yep.
Okay, so you don't have like ManyChat or anything, correct?
No.
Okay, yeah, that's a problem. Okay, so ManyChat will allow you to automate what you're doing. So, for example, if I message you the word funding, it's going to put you through a thread automatically. It'll say, hey, this is blah, blah, blah from Nick's team. We have a couple questions to ask you. Can I do so? They have to click a button, yes or no. Then yes gets clicked. Then you can automate your messages. So we can set ManyChat up for you. You can also segment those contacts. And then you can ask them for their emails as well. And then you can deposit them into active campaigns so that you can then acquire those emails. And then you can you can start building a list, because when you are getting into the space, like I don't know how much you're doing a month, but you must be doing well if you're talking about all these things. So it's like you're making X amount of money, but what actually makes you more money is acquiring your own data, because you're running ads, right? You're getting messages, but you don't own any of the data. You don't own anything. So that's why you want to collect people's emails, start building a list, and then you can make more money on the back end as well. Because when you want to push people to the group, you want to push people to a live webinar or whatever it is.
See, I also want to feel the companies, and like the primary one is we have a roofing company, so that usually takes a lot of my time. So this is more of a side hustle on the side. So it's not.
Wait, you run roofing?
Yeah, I have a roofing company too. Yeah.
Oh, dude, we have literally 3 clients who do roofing, and we have like a proven funnel for that too.
Insurance work. Yeah.
Okay, do you have anybody running ads for that, or were you looking to run ads for that?
We get a lot of organic stuff.
Okay.
60% we get local, and it's been keeping us fairly busy.
All right, dope.
I'm almost not trying to get too busy with it because like it takes time and it's hard.
Yeah.
Sales guy. We can easily scale it, but getting reliable people now on the field working for you, like we have subs all day long to do the work, but getting field people to manage everything is the headache. Nobody wants to work, and they're just incompetent and stuff.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so.
And I have a e-commerce thing kind of thing too, but I'm really trying to like put more attention towards the funding because it's easier money and less work.
All right, so I mean the ManyChat thing we don't do for Terry. It's not like crazy expensive, man. Don't worry, I'll bundle it. So we can put you at the same price for the ad management as Terry, but it would just be $250 more to set up the ManyChat. That's really it. Because then we have to manage the ManyChat, and there's a lot of segmentation, there's a lot of tags. It's just a lot of legwork. But it does automate the messaging. So when they send you certain keywords, you can then automate it, and then you can get it will ask you the questions in order to the point where the last question is like, hey, listen, this seems like you're a good fit. Book a call here below, or watch this video below, where maybe you might have a video ready for them.
And I was almost wondering this too, like some other credit guys I found in the space, doing quite a bit better. They have some are using different ways, the link to a website or whatever, or like using job forms where they just fill this out, and then someone from the team will actually respond to email, call, or something to close them.
Okay. Do you have any like Zapier automation set up though for that?
No, I can't. All that stuff is over my head. That's why I just.
All right. Are you using Slack though? What are you using?
No, nothing.
Oh shit. Okay. Do you have any sales reps, or is it only you?
It's just me.
Okay, so
I'm really just pushing forward with it more now.
Yeah, the one thing I would suggest that we can set up for you is like a Zap, where basically what will happen is if you send them a DM, like where are you sending them right now? Are you sending them to a job form or a type form or anything?
No, I thought that was my next step. Like I happen to have this one ad that's been doing good just right from my posts.
Okay.
So I run as an ad, right, and then get quite a DMs from that. Just respond, copy, paste. I'm weeding it out, and then some of them just jumping on an Instagram call quick.
Okay.
Where I'm just trying to feel it out, like where you at? Okay, they'll answer the questions. They're like, oh yeah, I qualify. I'm like, okay, let's just jump on a quick call. see where they're at. And then I'm
Okay. I mean, you can automate that process to the point where I would then send them to a job form, and then we can set up a Zap so that when they fill out a job form, it sends you a text where it says, hey, this person just filled this out, so you can call them right from your messages instead of going all the way to the Instagram app.
Right, okay.
Like, that would be a cool automation to have, because then you're not so bottlenecked between two apps.
I know some guys, I don't know if you follow, if you know them, like one big guy in this industry is Sean Sharma. They have the same way.
Sean literally, yeah, Sean sends me so many referrals, man. He was on Jason Capital's podcast right after me. We were in California together. And he helped me get verified on YouTube and stuff. So me and him have been really good friends for a while. Yeah, no, Sean's really dope.
I mean, Sean Sharma.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also another big one is Jeff Sakinger.
Oh, Jeff is cool. Yeah, he's in one of the masterminds that I'm in. He does business funding too. His ads are pretty dope.
Yeah. So that work, I go back and forth with him sometimes, but he says I'm kind of like really want to do something similar because I'm not into credit repair. I don't care about credit repair.
Okay.
Everyone kind of picks their niche. I don't care about it. It's always changing. I want to just get people, show how to leverage your credit, get them in a group. Like, okay, do an $800 group, learn how to do it yourself, everything. Follow this information. Before I used to just do it from my inner circle group. Like, just pay a few $100 to join my inner circle group on Instagram.
Okay.
And now what I did is recently, I just launched in the last few months, I took them over to a platform called Mighty Networks.
Okay.
So that's where I have the website for like, pay this amount monthly, or here, it beats them. It's like a one-page landing page. Pay that off your phone. You download the app. It's like much better Facebook app. Like a lot of people use Facebook groups. This is like a Facebook group, but you own all the information.
Yes.
So like, and they can't shut me down for if I say something. They don't like they're in the group and they can do and say whatever they want, and I kind of like it.
Okay.
I paid like a few $150 a month or something for that, but
all right, yeah, that's fine.
I'm trying to use that where if they join, they go there. But if I fund them, I'm like, I'll work it up to where I can get them funding or something.
Okay. So with that being said, you would want the ManyChat set up, and then we can manage the ads. We can obviously, implement new graphics, etc., new retargeting audiences, such like that, and kind of help you automate things and get that off the ground. Is that something that you wanted to move forward with today?
Yeah. So what is your I know I caught a few things that you've been sharing on your Instagram, and then
yeah. So I would just give you the same exact. Yeah, I would give you the same exact rate as Terry. It's just that for the ManyChat, Terry's doing sales calls. He's not using ManyChat, so he's just going right to the funnel that he already had. So it's really nothing I can charge extra for on his end, but the ManyChat would just be an extra $250 for us to manage it and obviously do the segmentation and the tags and all that, so that you own the data. So that's just an extra $250, so it'd be $1,500 a month.
Okay. Yeah, I think you might have said something like that.
Well, it's usually $2K. So I gave it to Terry because he had to get a new business manager. So you're basically saving money because of Terry's mistake. So Terry had a business manager that got restricted, and then we have a wholesaler that can get him a BM for $1,000 in case you ever get banned, and he's getting back up now. He thought that his shit was.
Yeah, he was sharing me with stuff, and that's when I was like, it's just gotta.
Yeah, like a lot of people are charging like $2K, $2,500 for these BMs, but I'm able to get them for $1,000 because I wholesale them because I don't take profit from them. And a lot of people just want to profit off them. And I'm just like, you know what? Like if they become my client, they'll just pay the $1,000 like they don't care. So it just, yeah. I mean, well, it also just keeps them, keeps them in my ecosystem. So that's really what matters to me more. So
I just helped him get a bunch of funding too. So he's ready.
Yeah, understood, man.
So I was running and asking him what do you typically run for? Right now I have an ad I just increased it from a few $100 to $1,200 because it's been doing decent.
So is that on a 30-day period?
I just keep extending it.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm doing that rapid test.
Yeah. So we actually, we set it up in a way though that you actually acquire the data within your pixel within the conversion API. So right now with the ads you're running, you don't own you don't own any data right now. That's the problem.
Right. Yeah. That pixel stuff. It was over from that.
Yeah. So we would have we do have the pixel set up so that we can retarget all the engagers, all the people who get X amount through the actual, chat. Also, we can use ManyChat to resurface people through follow-up. And that's the deadly part. So you don't have any pixel right now.